And white.
Oh, they have gray. I had brown
And
before.
blue.
Oh, and turquoise.
And a dark blue.
Oh, these are king, no? Yeah, these
I
are
don't know.
How much is the king?
The queen is $21.99.
I'm gonna get the queen. I have a brown one at home. Could be for you. Okay. So this is the V8. Let's go find. So what does it come with? This box is broken.
Those are come with.
I don't get a defective one.
That is a good return policy.
It has a good return policy.
Buggies already half full.
Are they on $4,000?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's check out some
Oh,
more stuff.
water pick, Ethan, look. It says you need another one. What is this one? This is the toothbrush? Is that a water pick? No. This is just toothbrushes. So let's see the water pick here. What does it come with? Does it come with both?
Mm-hmm.
One ultra and one nano. Why do we need two? They don't have any other water picks, right?
No, Mom, this is for boiling it. Or putting. No, there's only one. Comes with all that for $80?
Yeah.
That's really not that bad.
No dollars. Hold on, Ethan, stop. So this is what we got so far. The water pick of the Dyson, and look at this gorgeous beach towel. Isn't that pretty?
Can I get something?
What? We have here. Some more pieces. I think that's for the car. That's another piece. This Dyson has had great reviews, so I'm gonna check it out and see if it works for me. This is the brush cleaner.
Very soft.
Oh, this is the charging dock. Oh wow, there's a lot of pieces to it. Keep the pieces together. It's blue. It's a nice cobble. Dyson V8.
Someone's happy.
Happy, happy, happy. Where the action all happens.
Oh, wow.
So look at the brushes. So that is awesome.
And then that's the 360 or is it 180? 180.
Oh look, this is
Little
cute for the
tinier
car.
one.
This is cute for the car. I think this is the car one. So same way. Oh, this
Just
is
different
awesome.
angles.
Yeah. Well, usually I get the car details. And something that I heard, so I've read some reviews. You can take it out. And basically the reviews just say that you shouldn't charge this with an extension cord because it does ruin the machine. It has to be plugged straight to the outlet on the wall. So these are the pieces. There are so many.
This extends.
And it goes.
Yeah, it extends a little bit, so if you need that extra oomph.
Oh no, what is that?
Yeah, like the back
Is
here.
that correct?
Let's put it together.
How many pieces could you see? So there's 1, 2,
3.
4, and 5.
Let's
Wow, so many pieces.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. That scared me. So it is 20% charged already. So that's good, but it says that you'll have to charge it fully before use.
I want it.
Okay, hold on, baby. So look, that's what it comes with.
I did.
You want to do it?
It's
Okay.
strong.
It's very strong, okay? So you're going to put your finger in the red. Go. Oh! Whoa! It's like a blow dryer for you.
No, I'm going to blow it.
You want to go blow it? Okay, but that's for the vacuum. Can mommy put it together? Whoa, that is strong.
Fresh.
Is that strong? Whoa! Hi. Okay, hold on.
Nah.
Mommy's going to put it together, okay?
Okay, I help you. This goes first.
You want to touch that one?
No.
Did you hear that?
Oh, look. No?
No.
Okay, but you can't drop that, Katie. Katie, you can't drop that.
Mommy,
Yes, babe.
this goes first.
No, that one's for the car. We're not doing the car. So we're just doing the house. Look. See it like this? Look, ready? Pick up your stuff so it doesn't suck it. You want to do it? Okay, go. Okay, press the button. Okay, come. Okay, go. Press the button. Go, press it, press it. Go, press it. So that's just from like the carpet and the kitchen. You can see it over here.